Hey guys, it's me, Fun Time Carrot. So, as you can see, if you remember, like this sticker from Princess's channel, yeah, it's 3AF. I turned the light on. Wait, yes, I like 3. This is creepy because. Okay, sorry guys. This has a 3 on. I know you see. Do you get it? 3 a.m. I know, right? Something's in this room. It's really dark. It's really scary. Did you guys hear that? How I talk with me was the cake. That'll be much better. Okay guys, I'm on my bed with my kitty cat, my other little cat, and my dog that I don't play with. I know it looks derpy. Well, we Springfield field trip. I think I got a couple glimpses of what it was before we even done it. It's like these sound like sorry about like the things out there. The sounds. But it's not. I kept hearing that same exact noise. It doesn't happen like this at 3 a.m. Oh, because I'm not awake. So almost school time. I'm gonna be so excited. I keep hearing like this. Boom. Here. I'm gonna let you listen. Yeah, it's really creepy. Well, that's all I have for you guys, so bye!